Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of Google Ads course series, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube audio ads in Google Ads, right? Well guys, these are not ordinary video ads. These audio ads works or these audio ads shows on audio platforms, not on video platforms, right? But the procedure is almost the same. In the last 5 to 10 videos, I've already shown you how to create video ads. You just have to follow those videos and you will be able to create the audio ad as well. But you don't have to worry, you don't have to go back to those videos. I'm going to show you a proper way to create audio ads on Google. So let's directly get into my Google Ads account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I am in my Google Ads account. Now I'm going to create one more new campaign. So obviously I have to click on this new campaign button. Again, click on new campaign. And here it is getting loaded. Now we have to select our objective. So it can be sales, leads, website traffic, or app promotion, anything, whatever the objective you have, you can select it. Right now I'm going with create a campaign without goal guidance, and here in campaign type I'm obviously going to select video ad campaign. Right now in campaign subtype we are going to select audio. Right, also it says that reach your audience while they are listening on YouTube with audio based ads, right? So whenever they are listening to YouTube, not watching YouTube, they'll be able to see your ads, right? Basically they'll be able to listen your ads, not see. So now after selecting audio, let me hit the continue button. And here we do have 4-step campaign creation process. So whatever the name you want to give to this campaign, you can name it. Now in bidding strategy, we do have only one bidding strategy, which is target CPM, cost per milestone, right? So you don't have any access or you don't have any option to change your bidding strategy, so we can't do anything about bidding strategy. Now in budget and dates, you can set your daily or total campaign budget. So I'm going with daily budget, and my daily budget would be around 1600 rupees, which is around roughly around $20, right? Once you are done with your budget, you can set your campaign start and end date as well. If you click on edit, you will be able to change the start date, and if you want to set your end date, campaign end date, you can set that as well, right? Now in networks, obviously YouTube will be selected, and if you want, you can select this option as well. Your ads will be able to appear on Google's display network as well, but I'm not going to select this one. I'm just okay with YouTube platform, right? Now once you are done with your network, you can set your location as well. And in location, either you can go with any specific location, specific city, or specific postal code. Like if you click on advanced search, you can click basically you can add the location, city, or specific postal code here like this, and hit the save button, and you'll be able to target. But right now I'm going with the whole country, which is India in my case. And in language, you can select whatever the language you want. If you want multiple languages, you can select like this. As you can see, I've selected multiple languages, but I'm okay with English and Hindi because my target audience speaks the same, right? Then in additional settings, we do have few more important settings here, like device setting. If you want to show your ad on any different or any specific device or any specific operating system or network, you can set it here, right? Let's say you just want to show your ad on computers or on only mobile phones, so you can set that thing from here. You can even filter it on a operating system basis, device model basis, and network basis as well. But for now I'm going to show my ad on all eligible devices. Now we do have one more thing, important thing, which is frequency capping. So frequency capping is like how many times you want to show your ad to the same user. So if it is a frequency, if it is an impression, then how many times, and if it is a view, then how many times, right? So impression is like the ad has appeared but the user hasn't interacted with the ad, that will be counted as an impression, right? So this is our audio ad, which means the audio ad appeared or audio ad played in the user's device, but the user hasn't interacted or listened it properly, right? So that will be counted as impression. So in that case, I want to show my ad. Basically, I want my ad to be appeared 5 times per day, not more than that, right? And if it is a view, if the user has listened, if the user has interacted with the ad, then it will be 2 times per day, so that I don't want my users to get frustrated with my ads, right? That's why. So this is what frequency capping is. Then you have ad schedule option. Let's say you just want to run your ads on Thursday or maybe on weekends, like Saturday, Sunday. You can set it here. Even you can set the timings as well, but right now I'm removing it. I just want to run my ads on all day and all timings. Right now we are into our ad group option. Here you can set the name, whatever the name you want to give to this ad group, you can name it, right? And in ad group option we get two options: people and content. So people who you want to reach, and content where you want to show your ad, right? So basically here you can define your audience, that who is your target audience, right? Maybe if your product is can be sold to only females, so you can select the female in gender. And if there is any age preference, you can do that as well. Parental status preference, household income preference, you can set those things. But for my product, uh, there will be no gender preference, and in age preference I can set a bracket of 18 to 44, right? So this will be my age preference. Parental status, there will be no any, and in no household income preference, right? Now we do have audience segment option, right? Audience segment option is basically if you have run your ads previously, so what you can do is you can create a list of those ads, not those ads, you can create a list of those audience, like website visitor or the audience who have interacted with your ads. So you can create those lists and you can use those lists here, so that whenever your those target user uses YouTube, they'll be able to listen our ad, right? So this is what audience segment is, right? You can, if you have created the list, you can go to browse section and you'll be able to search those things, right? Like if I click on who are they, here I'll be able to define my audience a little bit more. And if I go to your custom audience segment, here I'll be able to see the custom audience segment which I have created. Right now in your combined audience segment, if you have created, you will be able to see. I haven't created any, that's why I'm not able to see here, right? Then how they have interacted with your business. So if you have created any list of the interaction, like website visitor or ad interaction, then you will be able to see those lists here, right? As you can see, all converters, all visitors, customers who have visited my website, remarketing website visitors. So I have created these lists, right? That's why I'm able to see these lists here. But I'm not going to target on an audience segment basis. I'm going to target on these three things. So either you can go with keywords or topics or placement. So basically you can target your ads on a basis of these three things. If you think you want to target your ad on a keyword basis, so you can add those keywords which your target audience can search on YouTube, right? So whenever they are searching those keywords, and after searching those keywords, they'll be able to listen your ad, right? And in the topic, you can select the topic directly, you can select the topic, and people who fall under those topics will be able to listen those ads, right? So you can select any topic related to your business. Like I'm selecting digital marketing, right? I've searched this digital marketing, and in digital marketing I'm getting advertising and marketing, and let me see, search engine optimization, affiliate program, web search. So these are the things I think or according to me are related to my business. So I have selected these topics, and people or the audience falls under these categories, under these topics, will be able to see my, basically not see, they'll be able to listen my ads, right? And in placement, let's say you just want to appear your ad on any specific YouTube channel, you want to show your ad on any specific YouTube channel, you'll be able to select those YouTube channels, those specific YouTube videos from here. So this is what placement option is, right? So we are done with our ad group. Now we have to create our ad. So for that, you have to upload a video on your YouTube channel, and you can publish that particular video and you can get a link of that. As you can see, I have uploaded few dummy videos. I'm using this 60-second videos. I'm just copying the link, get shareable link, and I'm going to paste it here, right? Once you paste it, you'll be able to see this video is too long. Choose video that's 6 to 15 seconds, right? So you have to create 6 to 15 seconds of video, right? I've already added 6 to 15 seconds of video as well, so I'm going to use this 6-second video, right? So let me add it once again. Now as you can see, 6-second video is automatically added here. Now you have to add the final URL, and it is showing audio ad. The following ad format aren't available in this campaign, skippable in stream. Basically these campaign type are not available in this campaign, right? So now you have to add the final URL. So the final URL would be marketing fundas in my case, and in your case it can be your landing page, it can be your product page, or anything else. So I'm pasting here. Oops, it got wrong. Let me copy it again and paste it here. Paste, right? And the display URL would be the same. Let me paste it again. If you want to change the display URL, you can do it. Then in add URL option, you can add tracking template if you want, but it's not so important. You can leave it, right? So this is what we have to do, nothing else. You can name your ad whatever the name you want to give. If you want, you can create multiple audio ads. This is totally up to you. The process is same. You just have to follow this small process, this ad creation process, right? Nothing else. Now here at the end, you can set your bidding, and as you know, the bidding is in CPM, cost per milestone. So I'm going to use this suggestion which Google is suggesting me, that 118.18 is the suggested bidding. Basically Google will charge me 118.18 rupees for a milestone for 1000 impressions, right? And these are the estimated performance. As you can see here, the average CPM will be around 28 to 118. Then the budget spend, unique reach, impressions, the impression will I get, right? So these are the things. Now you just have to click on create campaign, and the campaign will be created, right? Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Now once your campaign gets approved, you will be able to see results, you will be able to see data in your campaign, right? So I hope you understood the process. I hope you like the process. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you still have any question or query regarding these YouTube audio ads, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Don't forget to share this course playlist with your needy friends who want to learn and earn through Google ads, right? I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.